Top 4 exercise that will lift and enhance your breast naturally. Do you wish you had perkier and firmer breasts? Well, you can achieve this through surgery or investing in a good push-up bra. Another way of doing it is through exercise. Try out the following best breast lifting exercises that can help build and tone your pectoral muscles and give your bust a lift. Dumbbell bench press. Lie face up on a bench with your arms straight, a dumbbell in each hand. Lower the dumbbells until they're close to the sides of your chest, then press them back up to the starting position. That's 1 rep. Do 10 reps, then go to move 2 without rest. Push up. Start on all fours, your palms slightly wider than your shoulders, feet close together. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Lower down until your chest almost touches the floor. Keep your upper arms at a 45-degree angle to your torso. Pause, then push back to the starting position. Do 10 push-ups and rest 90 seconds. Repeat moves 1 and 2 one more time. Do each exercise twice. Rest 90 seconds before move 3. Inclined dumbbell bench press. Sit on an adjustable bench set to a low incline, about 15 to 30 degrees, and place your feet flat on the floor. Grasp 2 dumbbells and hold them up above your shoulders, arms straight. Slowly lower the weights down to the sides of your chest. Pause, then press the dumbbells back up toward the ceiling. Do 10 reps, then go to move 4 without rest. Dumbbell fly. Lie face up on a flat bench with your feet flat on the floor. Hold a pair of dumbbells above your shoulders with your elbows slightly bent. Keeping the slight bend in your elbows, lower the weights until your elbows are even with your chest. Keep the same bend in your elbows as you press the weights back up. Perform 10 reps. Rest 90 seconds. Repeat moves 3 and 4. You'll do each exercise twice. Thank you so much for watching. Please make the comment below, don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel. Please click the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.